Question number 3. Simplify and write in exponential form. So we have to simplify this number and leave our answer in exponential form only. First part, 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 100. So when power to the power is there, it means we have to multiply powers. So 2 to the power is 2 into 100. 2 into 100 is 200. So answer is 2 to the power 200. Second part, minus 7 to the power 6 and whole to the power 5. Again power to the power, multiply it, 6 into 5, so minus 7 to the power 30. Third part, 3 to the power 2 whole to the power 5, multiply by 3 to the power 4 whole to the power 7. So first power to the power multiply, it will become 3 to the power 10. Here also 4 into 7, 28. Then in multiplication, if base is same, then power we have to add. So here base is same, it will become 3 to the power 10 plus 28, 3 to the power 38. Fourth, simplify. First part, a to the power 3 multiply by a to the power 5 divided by a to the power 3 whole to the power 2. In numerator, base is same, multiplication symbol is there, it means power we have to add. So a to the power 3 plus 5. In denominator, power to the power means we have to multiply, so it will become a to the power 6. Then we have a to the power 8 divided by a to the power 6. Division means power we have to subtract. So a to the power 8 minus 6 is equal to a to the power 2. Second part, 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 5. Here power to the power means we have to multiply, so it will become 2 to the power 12 divided by 2 to the power 5. Base is same and division symbol is there, it means power we have to subtract. So 2 to the power 12 minus 5 is equal to 2 to the power 7. Fourth, third part, 6 to the power 2 whole to the power 3 divided by 6 to the power 3, then multiply by 6 to the power 5. First power to the power means we have to multiply, so it will become 6 to the power 6 divided by 6 to the power 3, then multiply by 6 to the power 5. Base is same. When division means we have to subtract the power. So subtract it, 6 to the power 6 minus 3, that is equal to 6 to the power 3. Multiply by 6 to the power 5. Base is same, multiplication symbol is there, it means power we have to add. So it will become 6 to the power 3 plus 5 equal to 6 to the power 8. Question number 5. Simplify. 5 to the power 4 multiply by 8 to the power 4. See here, base is different but power is same. So we can apply here this rule, a to the power m multiply by b to the power m equal to a multiply by b to the power m. It means if base is different and power is same and multiplication symbol is there, so base we have to multiply and power will be same. So this we can write it as 5 into 8 whole to the power 4. 5 into 8, 40, 40 to the power 4. Second part, minus 3 to the power 6 multiply by minus 5 to the power 6. This is also similar type question. Power is same, base is different. So take it together. So minus 3 into minus 5 whole to the power 6. It means this power 6 is for this also and for this number also. Multiply it, minus and minus will become plus, 3 into 5, 15. So 15 to the power 6. Third part, 3 by 10 to the power 5 multiply by 2 by 15 to the power 5. Again power is same, base is different. We can write it as 3 by 10 multiply by 2 by 15 whole to the power 5. Now multiply within this bracket. You can multiply, you can do cancellation. 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10. 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So 1 by 25 whole to the power 5. Question number 6. Simplify and we have to write our answer in exponential form. First part, 2 to the power 4 multiply by 2 multiply by 7 to the power 3 multiply by 7 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 3 multiply by 7 to the power 4. So first these two we will simplify. We have 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 1. If power is not mentioned means it is 1. Multiplication symbol is there, it means power we have to add. So for same base we have to do this work. So 2 to the power 4 plus 1. Same thing for 7. 7 to the power 3 plus 6. And denominator will be as it is. Now we have 2 to the power 5 multiply by 7 to the power 9 divided by 2 to the power 3 multiply by 7 to the power 4. Again same base we will take together. So you can see here now this 2 and this 2 is in division. So division in power we have to subtract. So it will become 2 to the power 5 minus 3, 7 to the power 9 minus 4. 5 minus 3 is 2, 9 minus 4 is 5. So your answer is 2 to the power 2 multiply by 7 to the power 5. Second part, 3 to the power 2 whole to the power 3 multiply by minus 2 to the power 5 divided by minus 2 to the power 3. So first this 3 we will see 3 to the power 2 whole to the power 3. Power to the power means we have to multiply, so it will become 3 to the power 6. Now these minus 2 and this minus 2 both are in division. Division means power we have to subtract, so minus 2 to the power 5 minus 3. 3 to the power 6 multiply by minus 2 to the power 2. This is our answer. Sixth third part, 2 to the power 8 multiply by 8 to the power 5 divided by 4 to the power 3 multiply by 8 to the power 3. So you can see here 2 is there but denominator 4 is there. So this 4 also we can change as 2 power. We can write it as 2 to the power 2. So it will become 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 3 means 2 to the power 6. Remaining things we will keep as it is. Now same base we will take together. 2 to the power 8 divided by 2 to the power 6. The power we have to subtract. Here a to the power 5 divided by a to the power 3. Here also we have to do the subtraction. A to the power 5 minus 3. So answer is 2 to the power 2 multiply by a to the power 2. Fourth part, 3 multiply by 7 to the power 2 multiply by 11 to the power 8. Denominator 21 multiply by 11 to the power 3. So here this 21 is not a prime number. We have to split it. If it is possible, then given number you have to split out. So 21 we can write it as 3 multiply by 7. After this, now we will collect the same base together. This 3 and this 3 will cancel out. 7 to the power 2 divided by 7 means 7 to the power 2 minus 1. 11 to the power 8 divided by 11 to the power 3 means 11 to the power 8 minus 3. So answer is 7 multiply by 11 to the power 5. Fifth part, 2 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0 then whole bracket 4 to the power 0. Anything power 0 is equal to 1. So 2 to the power 0 is 1, 3 to the power 0 is 1 and 4 to the power 0 also 1. 1 plus 1 will become 2. Outside the bracket we have 1. Here symbol is not there. It means we have to multiply. So 2 into 1 is 2. Sixth part, 3 to the power 0 multiply by 4 to the power 0 multiply by 5 to the power 0. So anything power 0 is equal to 1. 1 multiply by 1 multiply by 1 is equal to 1. Question number 7. Express in exponential form. Now the given number you have to express in exponential form. 25 by 64. So do the factor of 25 and 64. 25 we can write as 5 into 5 and 64 we can write as 8 into 8. And we can write it as 5 by 8 multiplied by 5 by 8. Or we can write it as 5 by 8 to the power 2. We have to express our answer here in exponential form. Second one, minus 125 divided by 216. Same thing we have to do here. Do the factor of 125. 5 5, 5. Minus we can keep with all the 5s. Because 3 minus, finally it will become 1 minus. These two minus will become plus and final answer will be in minus. Similarly 216, when we will do the factor, it will become 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. Or we can write it as minus 5 by 6 multiplied by minus 5 by 6 multiplied by minus 5 by 6. Or we can write it as minus 5 by 6 whole to the power 3. Third part, minus 343 by 729. Do the factor of 343. 7 into 7 into 7 and keep minus, because finally it is minus. So minus we have to keep with every number. Similarly 729. Do the factor of 729. You will get 9 into 9 into 9. Then we can write it as minus 7 by 9 multiplied by minus 7 by 9 multiplied by minus 7 by 9. If we write in exponential form, then answer will be minus 7 by 9 whole to the power 3. Question number 8. Simplify. In this question it is not mentioned write your answer in exponential form. It means we have to simplify it totally. First part is 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 2 multiplied by 7 to the power 3 divided by 8 to the power 3 multiplied by 7. So first step, this power to the power 5 into 2. Power to the power means we have to multiply, so it will become 2 to the power 10. 7 to the power 3 as it is. And this 8 also we can write as 2 to the power 3. 8 we can write as 2 into 2 into 2, which we can write as 2 to the power 3, and whole to the power 3. Again power to the power, we have to multiply, so it will become 2 to the power 9. Next we will use the law of exponent. 2 to the power 10 divided by 2 to the power 9. It means power we have to subtract. So it will become 10 minus 9. And same thing we will do for 7 also. 7 to the power 3 divided by 7 means power 1 is there. So we can write it as 7 to the power 3 minus 1. So our answer is 2 to the power 1. 1 it is not necessary to write, multiply by 7 to the power 2. 7 to the power 2 means 7 into 7, that is equal to 49. 2 into 49 is 98. This is our answer. Second part, 25 multiplied by 5 to the power 2 multiplied by t to the power 8 divided by 10 to the power 3 multiplied by t to the power 4. So first this 25 we will write as 5 base. 25 we can write as 5 into 5 or 5 to the power 2. And this 10 we can write as 2 into 5 whole to the power 3. Now 5 to the power 2 multiply by 5 to the power 2. Multiplication symbol is there, base is same, it means power we have to add. So it will become 5 to the power 2 plus 2. In denominator, this we can write as 2 to the power 3 multiply by 5 to the power 3. Whole to the power means this power is for this number also and for this number also. And this t to the power 8 minus 4 we can do. It is in division, means power we have to subtract. So we have now 5 to the power 4 multiply by t to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3. Again we can adjust this 5 power. This 5 and this 5 is in division. It means power we have to subtract. So we can write 5 to the power 4 minus 3 multiply by t to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 3. So 5 to the power 4 minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 1 multiply by t to the power 4, and 2 to the power 3 means 2 3 times we have to multiply, that is equal to 8. Third part, 3 to the power 5 multiply by 10 to the power 5 multiply by 25 divided by 5 to the power 7 multiply by 6 to the power 5. So first this 10 we can write 2 into 5 and 25 we can write as 5 to the power 2. In denominator this 6 also we can write as 2 into 3. Next 3 to the power 5. This we can write as 2 to the power 5 multiply by 5 to the power 5 multiply by 5 to the power 2 divided by 5 to the power 7, and this also 2 to the power 5 multiply by 3 to the power 5. Now all the same base we will take together. So 3, first 3, here you have 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5. So division means power we have to subtract 5 minus 5, or you can cancel directly also, no problem. Then 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 5. This one also will cancel out. 5 to the power 5. Here multiplication means these two power you have to add, and this 7 is in division. 5 to the power 7 in division. This you have to subtract. So finally we are getting 3 to the power 0, 2 to the power 0, 5 to the power 0. And we know anything power 0 is equal to 1. So all three values will come 1. 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Fourth part, minus 3 by 5 whole to the power minus 3. So this minus 3 we can convert into plus 3. To convert into minus into plus, we have to reciprocal it. Just shift numerator and denominator. So it will become minus 5 by 3 to the power 3. Power 3 means this thing we have to write 3 times. Now multiply, minus into minus will become plus, and this minus will be as it is. 5 into 5 into 5, 125. 3 into 3 into 3, 27. This is your answer. Question number 9. Simplify first part. Minus 1 by 2 whole to the power 5 multiply by 2 to the power 6 multiply by 3 by 4 to the power 3. Now this we can write as 1 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 5, and finally symbol will come minus because this 5 is a odd number. Then multiply by 2 to the power 6 as it is. This also we can write 3 to the power 3, 4 to the power 3. We can use exponential rule also, or we can simplify after multiplying these number also. So minus 1, then 1 to the power 5 is equal to 1. Here this 2 and this 2 is in division, so power we have to subtract 2 to the power 6 minus 5. 3 to the power 3 we can write 27. 3 into 3 into 3. 4 to the power 3 we can write as 64. 4 into 4 into 4. Then 2 to the power will become 1. 6 minus 5, 1. Multiply by 27 divided by 64. So your answer will be minus 27 by 32. With this 2 you can cancel this 64. Here we have to write our answer in simplified form, not in exponential form. Second part, minus 3 by 4 whole to the power 3 minus 5 by 2 whole to the power 3 multiply by minus 2 by 3 whole to the power 4. So first we will simplify this bracket. We will use BODMAS rule and then we will go for this. So minus 3 by 4 to the power 3 means minus 27 by 64. Here we can't do any cancellation, so we have to multiply it. 3 times minus means finally minus will come. 3 times means 27. 4 3 times means 64. Then minus this also. Minus 3 times will come means minus 5 3 times. 5 into 5 into 5 125. 2 3 times means 2 into 2 into 2 8. The next step, this minus and minus will become plus. We can multiply here also. Minus 2 by 3 4 times if we multiply we will get 16 by 81, and here symbol will be plus because 4 is a even number. Next we have to take LCM for 64 and 8 because addition symbol is there in between. So LCM of 64 and 8 is 64. In 64 table 64 is coming one time, multiply with numerator minus 27. 8 table it is coming 8 times, multiply with 125 you will get 1000. Do the subtraction. 973 by 64 multiply 16 by 81. After cancellation, cancel this one, this and this, then you will get the answer 973 by 312. 24. 16 fours it will cancel out. Then you can convert into mix.